Hello and welcome. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position for your body. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this space right here, right now. We're going to explore a gentle path towards peace together. Today we'll be focusing on a powerful tool, visualizing fear dissolving. This is a practice designed to bring calm and ease into your life. Our time together will be a gentle guide, helping you use your inner resources to release tension and fear. It's a journey towards feeling lighter and more free. Imagine a serene and calming atmosphere surrounding you. Feel a sense of peace beginning to settle. Let's start by taking a deep, nourishing breath together. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs, and exhale gently, releasing any tension you might be holding. Now let's talk about the core tool we'll be using today, visualization. It's a simple yet profound practice available to everyone. Visualization is simply using your imagination to create mental images or scenes. It's like painting pictures inside your mind. The purpose of this practice is to gently guide your emotions, your body, and your energy towards a state of calm and well-being. It's about consciously choosing your inner landscape. A key concept here is the incredible power of your mind. Your mind doesn't always distinguish between what is vividly imagined and what is physically real. Think about this. If you vividly imagine biting into a sour lemon, you might notice your mouth starting to water. That's your mind influencing your body based on imagination. Applying this to our practice, visualizing fear dissolving can genuinely shift your internal state. It can help you move from feeling trapped or heavy to feeling lighter and more free. We use visualization in everyday life without even realizing it. Perhaps you picture a peaceful place when you feel stressed, or you imagine a positive outcome before a challenge. These everyday examples show how naturally we use our minds to shape our feelings and expectations. We are simply harnessing this natural ability with intention. Now, let's explore a little bit about the science behind why visualization can be so effective, especially when dealing with fear. Understanding this can deepen your trust in the practice. When we experience fear, a part of our brain called the amygdala becomes highly active. This triggers the body's automatic fight, flight, or freeze response. Visualization, particularly calming and positive imagery, helps to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system. This is the body's natural relaxation response system. A parasympathetic system sends signals of safety and calm throughout your body. It counteracts the stress response initiated by the amygdala. Physiologically, engaging the parasympathetic system through visualization can help slow down a racing heart rate. You might feel your pulse begin to steady. It also helps to relax tense muscles throughout your body. Notice where you hold tension and imagine it softening. Mentally, visualization helps shift your focus. Instead of dwelling on negative or fearful thoughts, you direct your attention towards positive, calming images and sensations. This shift in focus can also help boost feelings of confidence and courage. You are actively choosing to cultivate a different internal experience. The beauty of visualization is that it's a tool you always carry within you. It requires nothing external, just your mind, your breath, and your heart. It's accessible anytime, anywhere. You can tap into this resource whenever you need a moment of peace or a release from fear. Now, we will move into a guided practice session. This is where we put the concept of visualizing fear dissolving into gentle action. Please find a position that is comfortable for you, whether sitting or lying down. Allow your body to feel supported and at ease. If it feels comfortable, you can gently close your eyes. If not, simply soften your gaze. Take a few deep breaths here, inhaling peace and exhaling any remaining tension. Allow yourself to settle even deeper into this moment. Now I invite you to gently bring to mind a feeling of fear or anxiety you wish to work with today. You don't need to dwell on the story behind it. Just notice the feeling itself. As you notice this feeling, see if you can identify where it resides in your body. Does it have a location? Is it in your chest, your stomach, your shoulders? Without judgment, simply observe this sensation. Now, see if you can imagine this feeling of fear as a shape, a color, or an object within your body. It could be a dark cloud, a heavy stone, a tangled knot, or anything else that comes to mind. There is no right or wrong image. Whatever arises for you is perfect. Just hold this image gently in your mind's eye. Now, imagine a beautiful, warm, golden light entering your body with each inhale. This light is filled with peace, calm, and healing energy. Visualize this golden light flowing into the area where you sense the fear residing. With each breath in, the golden light pours in, surrounding the shape or object of your fear. As you exhale, visualize the fear beginning to dissolve. Imagine the shape softening, the color fading, the object breaking apart like mist in the morning sun. With every exhale, the golden light helps to gently break down and carry away the fear. Inhale the light, exhale the dissolving fear. Continue this gentle process. Inhale golden light, exhale dissolving fear. Imagine the light filling the space where the fear once was. Perhaps the shape of the fear is getting smaller, or its color is becoming lighter. Maybe it's simply dissipating like smoke. Trust whatever image comes to you. As you breathe and visualize, you can gently repeat a simple affirmation to yourself. Silently or softly say, "I am safe." Repeat it with each breath. I am calm. Feel the words resonating within you. And again, I am free. Allow these words to support the visualization. I am safe. I am calm. I am free. Inhale light, exhale fear. Repeat the affirmation. Feel the golden light continuing to flow, washing over you, filling you with warmth and peace. See the fear dissolving more and more with each gentle exhale. Notice how your body might be responding. Perhaps you feel a softening in your shoulders, a release in your chest, or a settling in your stomach. Allow yourself to feel the sensation of the fear fading, making space for calm and light. You are actively participating in your own healing. Continue breathing deeply and visualizing the golden light. Imagine it filling every cell of your body, leaving no room for fear, only peace. The shape of the fear may have completely dissolved now, or it may be just a tiny wisp. Whatever state it is in, honor the process. Feel the lightness that comes with this release. Feel the sense of freedom expanding within you. You are safe in this moment. You are calm. You are free. Rest in this feeling of peace for a few moments. Allow the golden light to continue its gentle work, solidifying the sense of calm. Know that you can return to this visualization whenever you need it. This tool is always available to you within your own being. You have the power to influence your inner state, to choose peace over fear, one gentle breath and one visualization at a time. As we begin to conclude this guided practice, take one more deep, nourishing breath. Inhale the peace you have cultivated. Exhale slowly, grounding yourself back into the present moment. Feel your body supported. Gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes if that feels good. When you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of calm and lightness with you as you move forward. Thank you for joining me in this practice today. Remember your strength and your capacity for peace. You are safe, you are calm, you are free.